Most people think Walmart grocery pickup is complicated the first time. They imagine long forms, confusing steps, or standing around waiting at the store. Here's the truth no one tells you. Once you understand the process, Walmart grocery pickup is actually one of the fastest and easiest ways to shop. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to do Walmart grocery pickup in 2026 for the first time step by step, so you can order correctly, avoid mistakes, and pick up your groceries without stress. Let's break it down simply. First, grocery pickup works through the Walmart app or Walmart website. You choose your items online, place your order, and pick a time slot for pickup. Now here's where it gets interesting. You never need to go inside the store. Everything is prepared for you in advance and brought out to your car. So let's go step by step. First, open the Walmart app and select the grocery or pickup and delivery section. Then, enter your location so it shows your nearest store. Now imagine someone like Alex doing this for the first time. He opens the app, builds his grocery list, and chooses items like milk, bread, and fruit. Everything is added to his cart just like regular online shopping. But here's the problem most beginners run into. They forget to select a pickup time slot before checking out. Without a time slot, your order cannot be prepared for pickup. So after you finish adding items, you choose a pickup window. This is the time you will arrive at the store. Now here's the next step. You confirm your order and pay online. Once the order is placed, Walmart staff starts preparing your groceries based on your selected time. Now let's talk about pickup day. When you arrive at the store, follow the signs for grocery pickup. Book in the designated pickup area and check in using the app or by calling the number shown on the sign. Now here's where it gets smooth. An employee brings your groceries directly to your car and loads them for you. You do not need to enter the store or wait in lines. Another important detail is substitutions. Sometimes an item may be out of stock, so Walmart may replace it with a similar product unless you choose no substitutions during checkout. So let's simplify everything. Open the Walmart app, build your grocery order, choose a pickup time, pay online, and collect your groceries at the store without going inside. Now here's the biggest mistake people make. They assume pickup works like delivery, but they forget that timing and check-in are essential parts of the process. So the smart approach is simple. Always pick your time slot carefully, double-check your order before checkout, and arrive a few minutes early on pickup day. Once you understand this system, grocery shopping becomes faster, easier, and more organized. So here's the final takeaway. Walmart grocery pickup is a simple 4-step process. Order, schedule, pay, and pick up. When done correctly, it saves you both time and effort every week. If this helped you understand how Walmart grocery pickup works for first-time users, like, comment, and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides like this.